Today we're going to make a little fun appetizer that is really great for kids or just noshing in the afternoon. We take our vegan patty, we cut it into quarters, and I'm going to put a little appetizer hummus and tzatziki on top of it, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to take the quarter patties. I'm going to put them down. I'm going to base a little hummus on top of it. I'm going to do each one. And I like our hummus a little bit thick. You can certainly add a little bit more oil if you'd like to make it thinner. But I like it to sit on top of the patty the way it is. And then we take a little bit of tzatziki, so yogurt sauce. We put it over the top, like that. A little bit of tzatziki. And then you can either dress it with onion sprouts, which I think are kind of fun. Makes it pretty presentation. Little onion sprout over the top. And then I sprinkle a little green onion as well, just over the top to add to flavor. And then to make it a complete little dish, you can add a little carrots, and there's a great afternoon snack.